Hi, I'm Paulo from Chupan Games, and I'm here to talk to you about a new feature that will be delivered to all beta testers next week, along with several other modifications on the system. But this is, I believe, it's an important one. Well, now we have a key configuration. You click here, okay, and you got this big menacing screen, but it's simple to use, I promise. Here on the left are all things that exist in the game. In fact, not all of them are here, but about the major part is here, and I believe everything that people want will be here, and we will grow from that, as always. Okay, it's divided in two parts. The upper part, the action input, is made of things like buttons or uh, mouse clicks or keyboard press, things like that. The bottom part is things like continuous things like W for going forward. You press once and the camera keeps growing. You don't need to press several times. It's the difference between the bottom part and the top part. Okay. Suppose, for instance, that I want to change, move forward for another key from the keyboard. For instance, for other kinds of keyboards like the AZERTY keyboard and so on. For instance, I want you to go forward with you. Okay, just for an example. You can click here and change what exists, or you can click in an empty set, an empty slot, and add a new one. Each line can have 5 different ways of doing the same thing. Here I will press U and it remembers. If you want to, for instance, use Control U, you can Control U. He understands that. Okay, so anything you use on the keyboard will be here, or the mouse, for instance. Okay, but I will press U here, and I will save, and this is save. And now when I press W, it goes forward, but I press U, it goes forward too. So you can now customize your own keyboard shortcuts and mouse shortcuts. Thank you. Now, let's continue to do this. If you want to undo something you did, you just click here and with the right mouse button, and it will erase what you did. Okay? It's simple as that. Click with the left mouse button to set, and click with the right mouse button to clear it. I think that's it. And you can, some of you may want to use gamepads to control this. I don't have a gamepad here, so I can't, I don't know if this is working. So if you people out there have gamepads, please tell us if clicking here or using gamepads, if this is understanding gamepads, please. Thank you.